Hi friends, here we are given a GP, three consecutive terms of a geometric progression, and their product is 512. Then if 4 is added to the first and second of these terms, then these three terms they form an arithmetic progression. Then what is the sum of these three terms of the geometric progression, original geometric progression? We have three consecutive terms, right? So these are in geometric progression. So we can assume them as a by r, a r. Right, three terms of a geometric progression. The ratio is r. The product of these three, which is a cube. Right, r and r will get cancelled. A cube equals 512. That means a equals 8. Just by looking at this problem, this 512 is 2 power something. Right, right. So A is 8 and 512 is product of 2's. Right. What does that mean? This A by R and AR most probably would also be powers of 2. Right. So for example, if A is 8, just by looking at this problem, our intuition should say that A by R and AR, right, the product of these two should be A square, which is equal to 64. Right. A cube is 512. That means A square should be 64, right? So 8 into 8, 64. So our intuition should say if 8 is the 8 is the middle one, then earlier the first one and third one should be either 4 and 16 or 2 and 32 or 1 and 84, whichever way. Right. Right. A by R, A and AR should be one of these. Right. Our intuition should say. There could be other cases also, but this intuition should say that we should get idea of these numbers first. Right. So for example, if we take 4, 8, 16, right? 4 into 16 is 64 and into 8 is 512. Then this problem is directly solved. Say for example, if you add 4 to the first two terms, that is 4 plus 4 and 8 plus 4, then these three will become 8, 12, 16, which are in arithmetic progression. That means 4, 8, 16 are the terms that we are looking for. The sum of this is actually 28. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 16 is 28, right? Now, even without intuition also, how do we solve this algebraically? Right, what is the algebra solution? Right, we are adding 4 to a by r and 4 to a, and ar is as is. Right, then this whatever that we are adding, the middle one a, we found out it is 8. Right, if we add 4, then this becomes 12. And to this a by r, 8 by r plus 4, this 8 plus 4, 12, and ar, which is 8r. These are in arithmetic progression. What does that mean? This 12, this middle one, is the average of first one and third one. That means 8 by r plus 4 plus 8r by 2 equals 12. That means this plus this is equal to 2 times 12, which is 24. Right? This 24 minus 4, this becomes 20 on the right side. That becomes 8 by r plus 8r equals 20. What does that mean? If you cancel 4, 2 by r plus 2r equals 5. That means 2 plus 2r squared equals 5r. That means 2r squared minus 5r plus 2 equals 0. This minus 5r, we can write it as minus 4r minus r, because minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4 and 2 into 2 is 4. This we can we can factorize this as 2r minus 1 into r minus 2. That means r is half or r is 2. Whichever one we take. A is A is 8, right? If we take R2 or R half, then we get these two terms, these two series or these two sequences. 4, 8, 16 or 16, 8, 4, whichever way you take. Right. In both cases, both are same actually. Whichever order you take, the sum is actually 28. But ideally, in an examination, we should not even go this way. We should rather just be looking at it. Right. A is 8. That means the other two numbers can be 4 and 16 or 2 and 32, 1 and 8, 64, whatever. Right. Intuitively, we can say that 4, 8, 16 is are the terms that we are looking for. Right, guys? Thank you.